Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing account details and device permissions. Once you've installed Connectnext, open it and sign in with your email and password. Make sure to accept requested permissions so features run correctly. If the app prompts two-step verification, complete it now to secure your session. Once done, you'll land on the home screen. Note the main menu at the bottom, which you'll use for navigation. This quick setup prevents interruptions later and lets you move straight into configuration. You'll now configure the core settings that let Connectnext work for you. First, edit your profile with a photo, display name, and a short bio so contacts recognize you quickly. Then go to notifications to toggle push and email alerts and schedule Do Not Disturb windows to avoid interruptions. Next, link calendars and contacts so events and messages sync across devices. Make sure integrations show green status. If not, reauthorize each service to ensure smooth data flow and timely. Finish by testing the main features. Send a message, create an event, and join a call to confirm audio and video. Once tests pass, enable backups and verify the last sync timestamp so nothing is lost. If something fails, try basic troubleshooting. Clear the app cache, force stop and reopen, or sign out and sign back in. If issues persist, capture logs and contact support. Include the last sync time and device model so they can diagnose quickly and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.